welcome to Craft Time. I'm Miss Abby, hello, and today we are going to be making a really cool craft. I'm making a picture frame, a foam sheet picture frame. So, for this craft, we're going to need foam rubber squares, so these guys. We're going to need pom-poms, those are optional. So you don't have to put those on your craft, but you can. And there's sequins, and gems, and foam stickers, so these guys. And of course, glue. You can either use the glue stick, like I'm using, or you can use the bottled glue, the Elmer's glue. Okay, now let's get started. Today I'm going to pick the blue color because I love blue, and I am just going to quickly put a little rim of glue around the rim of the square. There you go. Okay, the next step is to put the bigger sequins down, so these guys. These big sequins. I'm gonna put these guys down. And I like to put 4 gold squares in a diamond position on the square. So I just think that looks pretty. And then I like to take 2 stars. I usually do purple, but you can put whatever color that you like for the stars. And of course, that is with the squares too. So, put a star here. And of course, a star here. Now I like to put 2 wonderful blue aqua circles here, but you don't have to put those colors. See, you don't have to put any of these colors here, but these are just the colors that I think look pretty on a sheet of blue. Okay, so next step is to put the big gems on. I love gems personally. They're my favorite. Wow. Okay, so I like to put pink. Put blue and pink and silver. But I think I'm gonna put some dark pink on. Now that I'm done putting the sequins on, yay! I'm going to put some foam rubber stickers on. I think I'm gonna go with a nice pink. So you can put any kind of sticker on these stars, so just any kind of sticker that won't overtake these here. So I like the stars, dots, but I think I'm really gonna go with the stars. I love the stars, pink stars, and I think those would look really cool. Whoa, that is so cool. Okay. Alright, so the last thing to do if you want to put pom-poms on is to put the pom-poms on. When I put pom-poms on, I usually just do a mix of color and put them around, like in between the sequins. And I think that looks really cool. But this is what your frame will look like with a picture in it. It's really beautiful. It's really cool, isn't it? So with this one here, you can see that I played with the sequin colors a bit. So yeah, looks really cool and really fun, I must say. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you come back for more videos like this one. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and comment down below and subscribe. I see you again for more videos like this one. Bye! From your friends at Craft Time.